So update with Ethereum. Monthly candle. We've been holding this area for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if you want to count this one. 6 month up in this BITCH. On top of that, holding this support, this price right here is very important. It needs to create support. So again, when you have candles that close next to each other, it doesn't matter if they shoot or up. The fact that they close to each other lets you know there's a hard surface in that area, in that price. Let's say this price is a flat surface. You know how fucking floors are flat? So let's just make it a flat surface right there. Every time now the market's gonna come try to go up, it's gonna hit that hard surface. It's gonna turn into a resistance. So it's coming up and testing and coming across that floor. Let's say it's the floor. It's gonna try to pass the floor. It's gonna reject, go on down, whatnot, until either 4-hour candle, 8-hour candle, 12-hour candle, and up keeps closes on top of that. Then that gives you some sort of hope or whatnot. Otherwise, you could start going down. Now, if the market's coming down in the same area, it's gonna act the same way. It's gonna have a hard time passing it because now it's gonna be acting as a support, kind of like this right here. So these boxes right here, call these boxes. It's when you have two candles that close in the same area, and then the next one either starts in the bottom or starts on the bottom and tries to recuperate. So you box that because you know now you have two supports, two resistance, or either way two floors. You have this floor and that floor, and now it's all gonna depend on the last candle, whether it be gonna complete it or going down. Since the 12-hour candle from 8, 4 candles and up, just because let's say the 4 candle, by 4 candle means you're dividing pretty much a 12-hour candle, or you're dividing the day by fours, pretty much in fours. If I say 8-hour candle, now you're dividing the day in 8-hour candles. You're going by 12-hour candles, now you're going by 12-hour candles. 12-hour, you're seeing every day in 12-hour candles. So then you break that down into, you dissect it. So 4-hour candle right here, I forgot what's going with that. Oh yeah, so just because in the 4-hour candle, let's say it's a 4-hour candle starts, it ends at 9 for Bitcoin, and it starts again. So let's say it's 9 o'clock, we start going down, but then you're thinking, oh shit, we're breaking it, we're going down, but then you still have 3 more hours. So then 10 o'clock comes up, and you're still maybe down here, and then you just test it, 11, and then 12, you go back up in here again, whatnot, and you complete it this time, and it goes back to green, and the 4-hour candle is green now when you thought it was going down just because it was here. And again, you have to wait. So normally you have to wait to see where that candle closes and whatnot, but it's all about, with Bitcoin, it's not about really data. Like if you really want to know where it's going that day, you don't go on all these crazy platforms and look how much, who's buying, how much is the sellers, and this and that, whatnot. It's just time. All it has is really time. Normally at the end of the week, after, for example, if you notice, we were dropping right from Sunday to Wednesday or so, whatnot, and then Thursday and Friday we calmed down and started making the move. So now it's making the move for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Last night I told you, hey, if we can't pass these certain prices by 1 in the morning, especially to 3 o'clock, and we're still in the same area, we're gonna start going down. And I said that if we do come down, I said that we need to pay attention to this monthly area right here, because this is what we want to hold. See, this is what we want to hold. We want to hold this price right here. That's why when I went to the weekly, I didn't want to go to the weekly because it's a weekly candles that you want to pass. And I didn't do these fucking. And then point was to pass was this one right here. Notice how it comes down, close right there, comes up, close right there. So this area is important, weekly area. And as we were over there, we were here yesterday, right about to fucking break it on up. And I said, then I put the next weekly alarm area, which I don't know why I put it there, but it should be up here. So after it goes up, this is gonna be your area that was gonna get stuck on, and hopefully on Sunday, shooting up or close right here, still good because we're above this area right here. All right. So another thing I noticed now on daily was this, and I was gonna box it up yesterday, but it wasn't a perfect box, but it was a box. Yeah, and I think I kind of mentioned in the video, if you guys noticed, but since it wasn't a perfect box, I didn't box it up. But there's a box right here. So notice yesterday's box was somewhere here, so it didn't really look like a box. But anyways, these candles are not telling you where the last area is to hold right here. It's this one right here. If you go to the monthly or weekly, my bad. Let's see, I think it's monthly. Yeah, monthly, and we just broke it. So that's first of all, that's bad right there. So that's why keeping this area right here is important. So when I was looking at it, I was like, and I said, hey, if we don't hold this area, let me go now to 104 candles. If you guys don't hold this area, I think it was this area right here. Let me see, put my boxes. Yeah, there was this area right here, this box. Yeah, this area right here. 3 in the morning, yeah. So I said, when I recorded, what time was it, you guys? I think it was 10, 11. I think around 10, 11. 12. Actually, no, it's higher than that. Then, yeah, right here, this morning. There you go. Saturday, 19. Yeah, there you go. Here we go. This is where we were at yesterday. So right here I mentioned that we need to, what's it? 19, yeah, so around here. 17. Yeah, so I was recording around this time over here. Because I remember it was either after 9 or 10 o'clock. And I said that by 1, yeah, by 1, we need to be above this area up here. Sorry, guys, can't really remember what I said last night. All right, so here, Johnny. No, I'm just joking, you guys. But so this box right here, there's a box that we're holding. I said yesterday that by 1 in the morning we'll need to be up here. And if not, then if we started going, that way we can close here at 1 p.m. Because 1 p.m. is where we close the for candle. If not, we needed to be here at least by 11, 12 o'clock or whatnot. As you can see right here, we're getting to 19, 20. I'm guessing that's 9 o'clock-ish or 10 o'clock. 20. That's 7. I wonder if I recorded this shit earlier then. Because after that, we started dumping throughout the night. Sunday at 12. Sunday 1, 2. Was it this area then? Because now I'm confused as hell. I don't think I was recording this early up here. Yeah, I think it was, yeah. Either way, so yeah, if we didn't hold this area by, I think it was at 10 or 11 that was recording this. Must have been. Because we need to be up here by 12 or 1 o'clock. That way we, or still be holding here by 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock so we can shoot back up or be inside here at 1 o'clock. So the fact that, and I think this is 10 o'clock, 10, 11, 12, no, 9, 10, 11, 12, no, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so those are 8. Was I recording that fucking early? Damn. Yo, so if I was recording that early, my bad, you guys, but if I was recording that early at 8 o'clock right here, then we definitely needed to be here by 10 o'clock or close here at 10 o'clock because that's when, no, at 9 o'clock, because that's when your 4 candle for the crypto market closes. It closes at 9 p.m. So, and that's a 4 candle. So the fact that at 8, 9, we close out here, notice how at 9, it takes a dramatic drop below this area inside this box right here. Well, it's not really a box, but inside this area right here. Let me see, I do have a box somewhere here. No, I don't. So that, yeah. So I said if we didn't hold this area, we were gonna start dropping on down, and most likely testing this area where it came from. Same thing with Bitcoin, and we actually broke it after that below. Notice how we close at 1. Yeah, again, 1. It was one of your 4 candle. See, and here we go for the next box. So you then would have boxed this down right here. And Bitcoin did the same thing in the same area, not the same area, but same time. With a box that down, 2 into a red. No, Bitcoin did it on a 12-hour candle actually. But anyways, and you see how it fell inside the square, which is a monthly area that you don't want to pass again. There's a monthly area. See right here, these candles how they stop, and then your next ones are down here. I don't know why the fuck right there. So your next area to hold was when you get inside here was this, and it's just smashed through that. So again, red flags. That's what yesterday, like I said, it was very important to hold that area on top. Otherwise, we're gonna go back down to here, and once you don't go down to here, it's all bad. Your next forward candle is at 5 p.m. And notice when we close 5 p.m. on the bottom of this candle right here. Actually, we smashed through it. We smashed through it, go on top, but the fact that we close inside here, again, on the forward candle. Connected, oh, sorry. So anyway, so yeah, that was the red flags right there. The fact that we were still in the same box, another selling area, selling point, because with forward candle, that forward candle had to close above here and be up here. This is all telling you sell. If you had this indicator would have been up here and telling you to go for a sell. So then next it gets you, oh, there's the next area right here. Why? Because when you go to your 8-hour candle, there's a box right there, and that box. Oh yeah, there was a fucking box right here. Totally tripping. What the fuck? Anyways, where's it going with this? Oh, 8-hour, the 8-hour, right here. So, again, when the market was came back down, it was gonna act like a support, especially because you have a weekly line right here. So all of this together was gonna, and then closing below monthly, was telling you this is your next trapping area. If it breaks this, you're gonna get fucked. What it's doing now is testing, because at the last, you gotta think about it. It's the last day of the week. Is gonna be the last. There's 2 more forward candles. This one closes at 1 p.m. So by 11:30, 12 o'clock, we definitely need to be up in here so that they can make a move, go close back in here, have 4 candles. That way it can shoot above, again, above this important area to hold. If not, it's gonna keep rejecting this area, 11:12, and around 11:12, it's still right here in this region below this box. Watch. You see how the indicator's telling you already? Hey, this is your entry, this is your targets. Because again, where are they at? 4 candle? Oh, the age right here, So let me mark it up real quick. For red, no, can't do red. Purple, damn, that was purple too. Daily for what? Ain't shit here for the daily. What the fuck? Fucking dumbass ain't shit there. My bad, you guys. I'm gonna take that shit off. That's funny as hell. So there's right there to hold. 4 candle here. Another box. So that box we were just talking about right now. Alright, so I'm gonna take that off because you guys saw it already, anyways. Now that's the play that it wants to do. It needs to pass this resistance, this 8-hour box that I just showed you. On top of that, it lines up with the weekly. So this box needs to, by force, need to be passed in this last 4-hour candle right here. If not, this even the candles, even the indicator or the position where it's at, it's telling you that we're about to go drop. It's a high, low, high, and then low, another move, and close fucking low at 5 p.m. low or whatnot. Otherwise, this is your last move, and even the indicator telling you, hey, you're gonna have some resistance right here, and it lines up with the box, with the last monthly box that it needs to pass. Otherwise, it's gonna get rejected. Starts rejecting right here. Forget about it. You see, it's creating support inside the box, which is that 8-hour box that I just made. Right? It's creating support right there, and then wants to go for the move. And you see how there's resistance right here in this area right here. That's why also you don't have. So again, that's what we need to do. So by it's 10, so we closed a 4 candle at 9. This barely started. So at from 11:45, 10:45 to 11:30, we need to be up in this bitch. If by not 11:45 or 10:45 and dot, but if by 11 we're still down below this blue line, start paying close attention. If it's 11:30 and it's still in this region right here, start paying attention for a sell. If it's 11:15 and we're up here, pay close attention to it. 11:30, 45. Pay close attention because we might shoot up and go for the 1 o'clock and close here at 1. And then from there, bullshit here and try one more time. Or we're going to get fucking rejected. Come back down here in this area. But yeah, that's all I got for Bitcoin. My bad for making this video long, you guys. For Ethereum, now to Bitcoin. So last night, I was saying to pay attention to Bitcoin, this area right here. So right here, or Sunday, from the morning. Right here is the box. Damn. Sorry, guys. Nope. Alright, so yesterday, 19. I guess I was recording earlier or whatnot. Unless I was recording here. But I don't think I wasn't. I think I was recording up here, and this is the area that I said was going to be a hard time to pass or whatnot. Yeah, because it will be blast up Friday. Yeah, it will blast up Friday. Yeah, so anyways, I said if I was recording at 10 o'clock, I probably was recording at 9 or 10. Damn, goddamn, I can't remember now. My bad, you guys. We need to be in here by 1 p.m. 1 a.m. 1 a.m. If by 11:45, 12:30 is no. 10:30. Yeah, 10:30 to 10:45 to 11:30. If we were in that range, in between that range, in here in that area, we'll continue going down. If you have 8, 9, notice how we're creating support above this monthly area. We're in the monthly box right here. Watch. See? So there's a strong support area, strong resistance area, or either way. So passing this was key because they were in between two weekly areas right here that you got trapped on, or that was gonna be hard to pass because of that. And plus that was the last area to break to really be free from this area we're at right now. So if you can see, we were trying to pass it last night. See, that was important area, 12-hour candle. That's important area right there. All right. So the fact that we broke that, and I was saying this, if we don't break in these areas, and we don't close this area right here, by 1 a.m. in the morning, you're gonna start going down. Since I started recording this earlier, which I didn't know, it must have been around 10 and 11 o'clock. It was barely, if I recorded at 10, the 4-hour candle closed at 9, which means it had only been 1 hour after the 4-hour candle closed, so there wasn't really no action. You would have then started paying attention at from 10:30 to 11:45. 8, 9, 10. The fact that it closed right there, that was your fucking sign that we start going down, because then you would have closed. Yeah, you would have closed your next 4-hour candle, which you did below the monthly. Again, more bad signs, because then that was your next area, your last hope, your last 4-hour candle for the 12-hour candle to close. So that it needed to at fucking 2, then 3 and 4, and then fucking close here at 5 o'clock. But all this, red flag, red flag, red flag. And I'm pretty sure my indicator would have picked it up and told you, hey, to go for a sale. Yeah, see? And again, same thing, it's a monthly. It's below monthly. See, it's below this monthly now. So it's trying to hold, because that's the last straw. Like, it's trying to hold, or we're gonna close the week here. We gotta close the week, and now that's screaming red flag, because now you're gonna use this as your support. You're gonna try to get on here and bounce back up for next week. Or if we close here, it's gonna be very bad, because then we're gonna get trapped here and end up fucking closing below it. And then that's even worse, because now when it tries to go back up, it's gonna try to test this, and it's all looking bad, you guys, to be honest. So we might have more and more, yeah. Sure, we're gonna have more dropping coming in the next couple of hours, and that's the support that I'm telling you right now. And that's the support I'm telling you right now. And you look at Ethereum. Ethereum has the 12-hour candles right here, and they look in the same watch. I bet you. Yup. See how it's right there too? So they're getting ready to dump. Dump it up. So probably around 11:15. Let's see. Watch right here up. And you have an indicator right here to go for a sell. No, to buy. Where's the sell one? Come on. Oh, no sell. But yeah, there's your last hope. If you see it by 11:15, 11:30, it's gonna start going for a little dump. And after this, we close at 1, and that 1 is most likely gonna be trapped here and try to get out. I'll be surprised if we still hold here by 11:30, 11:45. Then it's gonna try and go for that move. But seeing how Bitcoin's on the edge, Bitcoin 12-hour candles on the edge, Ethereum daily, it's on the edge. It's on the edge. So these motherfuckers are either gonna drop right here, or right here throughout the night, or you just break this area and fall down here in between this, right here. But yeah, that's all. Sorry for making this shit too long, you guys. But just wanted to go over Bitcoin, Ethereum before moves happen, and I don't have to say, oh, I knew that was gonna happen. I should have got on. All right, dude.